Abusia Ghana, we have a serious problem. Do you think Ghana is the same baby and as you say, dear, just say, young forget it. Just a normal baby across over the past couple of days, even weeks, Grana. Or shall no man some of the videos, you know, just say, Yanya time on your daily or Halland and saying because you're busy, crack. But never better talk about a few. Now you think it. Ghana and they say, baby, I don't know. A real, and you be an answer saying. Starting number 1, what do you have video?
At about 11:30 a.m., a certain madman, unknown by the villagers, climbed a high-tension pole and was hanging on it. In fact, we've come to have a dialogue with him severally, but all proved futile. Since morning up to now, he's been hanging onto the rope.
Abusia, what is happening in Ghana? Says any penalty me for a dear na kwa da high tension, so that way train. So be who say Becky Kino say be a day or my goodness. Ghana nintina Abusia say be ye. And ye nenkoa. Obi gina kwan ho Abusia o tie ni phone call no. Hwe video no. Again, Ghana no ebeye ye anase debi because it looks like a normal equals day in day out where your mind Ghana muno Abusia etefaso. Obi gina traffic mu directed traffic no. What you see in the phone they call. Next video. Now Abusia me say no more bebre poku asi interchange. Kwanya meji in different ways and be easy traffic no. Amount for them pen no. They want a shortcut send by ombesi baby or moko without actually following the rules and regulations of road. Quite the video no.
Eti we say no waira enya ne kwan so no nam no. Baby onami eye ekwan ya efiri kwabenya ekọ Papa ya ufri poku ya seba anka wode kwakwa benya no nde wa tane eturi asanka nya national road safety pani na gina wa anka ne ka kase yi ebetimi edi enhyiamu enti asemu a ekoso ewo ahase no ne ama na twa U10 a wo kono enti panifo no wono mo hanum sei se wo behwe ama wo ma afom kwan nyina watimi ehu kwan na ba bia wo kono wo de akọ wo mo a efri Accra eba wo pese okopo kiase no ko be kosuro no makwa U10 no wonko wo pese wo fa ba bia national road safety panyini ejina yi na kwan ni etiama no wotimi ekopo kiase enso enye ne kwan ya
ensai Abusia. Now that tells you that most of the drivers in Ghana they need driving license, and then if the police meet them now, well, you know Ghana police, you can negotiate. Now Abusia here na tocho China ensai sa pragie o se motokin o se dien bi me hu video bia goodness o de hwe
ka unu zane Ghana ha de oba de oba unu say yes say nyame tumi so eti de mi twa kire benje say bia ye ntro minu aka ho na bi yenza na ho bi ye twenche chefo for nzani for so lesson izabu so mo unu de yagoso ayo face and never continue
Abusia ka no ono na for taxi esi ne so hey the Ghana no ebeye yie ana se enye yie biem. That is the question and the only thing I need answer for in this video. Mami hu adwen wo comment section ase wo. Video ni nsi ye. Still na ye koye ni because if say nipa timi afa wo hwe ade na enye bush bi no ade na mu. Wa fa ade ni de esi ne to so. E na abusia che so ade nam road. How is this even possible? Che say ma hu say aka na ye dia fa container pen ma hu say ye de ye no ma it should man. And this is the four full-fledged car. This is so the name krum. E betwam police ni be hu on kahwe. Police ni gina ni hu ne kra. Like I said, you can negotiate. You move this video along because I want this to be very quick and then get answers from you guys. Then later maybe we'll do a video talking about your answers. I'm going to buy. Me video be so now of police if one area boys here emerging together and then you can see say police people are giving warning shots, but some of these guys are not even worried about the man. Shekakra.
One leg nothing they go do. Nothing they go do.
So is it say the Ghana police in a nimonyam na perform and then because of the things some of them have done and then even the area boys just say it's like the police man wait till you're with the military so just at least show some respect say or you're buying the power or try and maintain peace and then God Ghana no ye understand now there is hope. Now ya keka ko yanim to the big one no yebeduru ho but ye nyamnuru ho now no ye kwa the next video which is mokwala abusua gya to ma yesi ba bi agya to a ehye denden no from hot to fire service joint abusua emu ntwe e bia wunya hu video ni bi kura ahwe Abusia this in some way this past couple of days yo and yet that long gumpo Janish and I even could change video because me share ya about Jana no fire service ya go bedum baby a Janet Dano there be Ojina form we doom baby already na doom no share.
That's right. Man for any agro and then a drone and yet designing a doom jaw throw. Look at this. A crack it, take a small picking. That's right. And we're designing. When you need that, can't get it. Graphic designer, funky, take it now. Look at this. A crowd, small boy. So a crowd will come and will swap R square minus S 5F. We are square number 2 food. Yenye, the legends. Sungwa. And when here. One word, stolen breathing, ash. Jalan Kazadi, ye Jan when you do my say, I send a genuine. I do a Russo. Okay, I'm doing my best. When your best is not enough. What you know the reason why our national pride in the end they said, so help me, Lord. Look at this.
Abuja again, Ghana no ebeye and I said there be. It's very just and some people on videos never ban be or shisha. Then you think what is happening? It looks like as a normal everyday piano. Things are destroying. I don't know what is happening in Ghana nowadays. Because a baby ship passing. And then you see administrative and the you see statue was secures being a signboard and then from the signboard no etimia could do this share fire service for Obias more catch I think there's trouble no catch say time a Janish in a yes will be from fire service war money better kisha yes Janish yampa because I am of from okay can't say yes about good one yes sir money ban be Janish yampa and son or hey, Ghana no ebeye ye and I said there be. Now we are going on to the biggest one. They say Ghana buying a secure $28 million. They are quite new cars for ministers. My goodness. Do you guys say 4 years time next election MPP free so because you know if you follow the trend of 8 years now MPP free so there's next election. Is it a new thing? It looks like a one family being. They've given up on the system and then doing whatever they want. And now it's saying $28 million. They quite talk cars, abre MPs and ministers for doing what? What exactly? Because problem by a you are the guys that you have the power to change things, to man up and be the citizen. And another ceremony and not spectators. You guys, we don't see you doing anything. Any school in Ghana, who are the ministers of Ghana? I bet you not. Say you won't get 10 out of 100 people to tell you minister. Man. And then you have secured 28 million. Now the kicker and they say, yes, it's that $28 million. Bosnia. Already now, these ministers, they have cars already. Cars are buying cars, they've secured money to buy new ones because say no na dada. Now, dada is not like say 2004, 2006 car. We're talking about a year or 2 years car. Now they've secured $28 million to buy them new cars. Nkura nya ba binti na nsuya de. Fire service car pull up na nsuo nim. Police jina kwan hu na ye shutu amuku without even a bulletproof vest. Now you secure $28 million. They got talk as a ministers at them. You see, these are some of the things you have to talk about it and then let it sink in. One was ebinum the party because of the party, the name and then the logo of the party. But pay attention to even what is happening. How can this be a good idea? How can this be a dear citizenry, you know? As we move follow along, and now more appreciate it. Especially, you see, so many things that happen. Now you talk about saying keke and 1 year COVID in Suo. They spent 900 million cedis. That is over $150 million just on COVID in Suo keke. Then you see the problem. Now what I see COVID relief. Now the course of France is a hinfa. Yama Ghana $200 million. Back. What are you guys doing? Seriously. And then you have also seek another loan of $28 million to buy new cars. And as our stories and articles online, you know fake. If it is fake here, then it doesn't matter. But if this is real, Ghana, no, because this, at some point, it makes no sense. What do I say? The problems people are facing day to day, $28 million can do a whole lot of things for a whole lot of people. What do I say? And then the final kicker, president's wife, ne yere keke no, so ye president ne yere no. Say ye tuyaneka. Chale, my goodness. Into Ghana no, ebeye ye. So what we are Juma, na se wa warrior. See a 2 hour yereka. For what reason? Because it doesn't matter. The wife of the president, you vote for the wife of the president. The wife of the president doesn't hold any job. What do you say? Safi no mama ni bibi so wanya. Fine. Mommy read the article of Sans and we know who exactly the amount of money or mobile spend. It was idea we see. It was here or say Parliament approved allowances for presidential spouses upon Kroma. Yeah, or no, I can't say now read you come and now who say it's not say approve and import more approval no. Starting and first of all, keep in mind it doesn't make any sense. Say for example, remember YouTube, my worry. So if say YouTube to my car, say YouTube send to my wife car because say or you may why not? How does this make any sense? Eh? I don't know, sir. If you are wife of a president here, they have to pay you. Is it how it is? Another, you blew a deal out of proportion. Because, man, would you see? Or say, Rebecca will be paid 21,000 cedis per month. That is 210 million cedis, old cedis, you know. And will be backdated from 2017. Nti ska yentuano from 2017 up to this 2021 ni nyina no. Ombeka ni nyina bom no mo de etuaneka. And this is not something say afi no mo agree wo hu. This is already done because they have approved it. Parliamentarians na approve no ways. They have approved it. Nti per month bia no ye betua president yere $21,000 cedis. Until they be backdated to 2017, which will amount to 1,134,000 as back pay. Back pay no 1 million. Chale, that is the scanning the me who could have was a 10 billion was a saying. What you say? And no. And no nyansa pay no de no. Then we come to allowances omo beji as part of their job as being the wife of the president, you know. Or say this amount excludes her allowances, which is total 87,000 cedis per month, which means that even the actual pay, no, is like 4 times the allowances. Is like 4 times the actual pay. So 87,000 cedis every single month. So you add the 87,000 plus the 21,000, which is over 100,000 every single month, and at each prayer kind of thing. The vice president Yeri Beji and the main president, first lady Beji. So young to us will say this amount which okay 87,000 per month, which will as well be backdated to 2017, which will give her 6,334,000 new Ghana cedis. Same goes to Samira Bawumia. 6,345,000 cedis. Now it's more than $1 million. Yes, the my president here because to say or you're the wife of the president. Without goodness gracious. Is this thing right? Ghana no ebeye ye and as they say apem. NPP abaya give you up. Says any amount for be can be omonka. Let's do this and that's the same. Is it say NDC for our parliament because this thing was approved by the parliament. Parliamentary we know say NDC for and a majority and ameboa. If the NDC for a majority, they can approve this or not. So are they also almost what I say we imra na Saturday no man go vote kura. Charlie, Ghana is very, very, very sad boss. Just anu edian kasa. He said I don't know even what to talk about, what to think again. Because it's like day in day out to be the new things, but and the new things now is something that people will talk about it, they don't care. People don't, it doesn't make any sense to some extent, they don't care. What I say? They will do what they want to do. Episode was brought to you by Kumasi Market. Now with your Kumasi Market, and check Ghana is a Ghana energy drink Yajisui, which is next level energy drink. Omo Babelanche Baku, Babelanche Ewo Europe Wankasa, which is Germany, on the 17th this month year. In the Kumasi Market, ho Omo Babe Sadiem. Now Buzia Dino Babe the super special Ankasa. The man in charge, I don't go owner now Ankasa. Mr. Kim or Wankasa baby. So it will be massive Wankasa. This is our Germany Abusia on 17th. Memenda by where now watch it. Brakumasi Market ho. Now be enjoy Ankasa. Oh ba ne nuoma wato ni nyina ba yere anka box no ebinim deje 40 ni yakeka ho no ono to no 20 euros abusia Kumasi Market ho ntina abusia bra owo mulhan yadi kyan ne ho video me link through YouTube video description aso click so na wi akokohwe how Kumasi Market ho sitie na ho no mokwa event I don't know say what specifically but anything be one store mo sa day ni bia na abusia wote so bayire isen oteso and a home taste ni products I was store ni nyina na abusia oteso ntini za wo pese wo shop Ghana no ma na ne abusia Kumasi Market deal we be ma ne mpo akon ho on the 17th bra na ye kwa lunch a donko next level energy drink Germany there and probably Europe yeah and a year not to change Kumasi Market shop no everything will be discounted ntini be nya affordable stuff no lie no joke. Miankasa meko hobby. Kote ase. Come, let's meet up. Let's have fun. Yeah. Ope any info. Ebusia from anase contact Misty. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Mami who adwin about next video no. Ewo YouTube comment section as well. Very important ankasa. Till we meet again ebusia. Adios.